What is good, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic. If you're new here, I highly suggest subscribing, especially if you enjoy tech as much as I do. Now, in this video, I'm gonna go ahead and cover basically 10 things that we already know about the AirPod 2. So if you're hyped about the next generation AirPods, here are the 10 things that leaks and reports have been confirming so far. All in 5 minutes or less. So number one, there has been reports that during the announcement of the next generation AirPods, Apple will finally have an official release date for us about the Apple AirPower. And boy, can I say, it's about time. That thing has been announced since 2017 and we have yet got given an exact release date. So hopefully by this March keynote event, we should have that information. Two, a few months ago when public beta 12.2 got released, 95Mac has discovered a new Hey Siri functionality for the AirPods. You know, the same thing that you're able to do on your iPhone currently whenever you say the word hey. S'mores. I don't want to set up you guys' phone, but you know what I mean. Well, it said that that functionality is also going to be available on the AirPods, which means we will be no longer required to double tap on our earphones when we want to command Siri to do something. 3, this backs up the information that we got from number 1 was the AirPower. The next generation AirPods, the AirPods 2, will most likely have wireless charging built in the travel case. And there's a catch. For us first generation owners, there will be also an additional upgrade that'll be available for us who happen to own the first generation AirPods if we also want to have the wireless charging capabilities. The stuff that got promised was the AirPower mat back in 2017. 4, there has been multiple leaks and multiple reports that the AirPods 2 will have health monitoring tech inside them, but it's still uncertain what exactly will it be. Some people are saying it's going to be a heart rate monitoring system, while some are saying that it's going to be a thermometer for you can measure your temperature. So really, only time can tell until we find out exactly what health monitoring will it be. 5, no big major design change will be made from the previous generation. By that I mean like it's still going to have the stem sticking out of the earphones. So that look that we're used to seeing by now from the first generation, it's going to continue over to the second generation. Now, due to the new tech and sensors that will be integrated on those earphones, there will be small design tweaks here and there, but nothing major. 6, there will be actually a sound improvement on the audio quality of the next generation AirPods. Reports have been leaking out that the drivers inside those earphones are going to have a better deep bass sound. 7, the AirPods 2 will be connecting using Bluetooth 5.0 or greater. So they will be more energy efficient than the previous generation, but because it's using larger drivers and will be equipped with health monitoring tech, leaks have been reported the battery life will be really similar from the previous generation, which honestly, the battery life on those was perfectly fine for average users. 8, there's going to be a black and white color option for the AirPods 2. And the texture that we're used to seeing by now, the glossy texture, that won't carry over on the next generation. As leaks been coming out saying that it will have like a matte-like texture. Not sure if this will prevent it from easily being scratched up like the previous generations did, but sounds like it could also provide extra grip for those who had a fitting issue with the first generation AirPods in your ear. 9, the first generation AirPods are still going to be available for sale brand new with the same MSRP as they've been retailing for. While the second generation AirPods has been reported that it's going to start at roughly around $200, so price is going to go up. And finally, for number 10, next generation AirPods are going to be released sometime later on in the fall, which does make sense on why Apple is going to release the wireless charging case for the first generation AirPods first. So in the meantime, we're going to have that while we're going to wait for the second generation to be officially released, which is unfortunate in my opinion. I kind of want everything all at once. But that's going to be pretty much it for this video. Honestly, only time can tell if these reports and rumors are true, but from what we've seen in the past was other releases, other leak information, either by Apple, Samsung, most of the time they're pretty darn accurate. So I guess we gotta wait until hopefully the March keynote when Apple finally does the official announcements. But that's going to be it for this video. If you guys found this video informative, useful, you know what to do. Leave this video a big thumbs up. If you guys want to see more videos like this of other future release products where I just go through a bunch of articles, summarize everything and all in one video, 5 minutes or less, feel free to comment down below what other product you want me to go ahead and do research on and just summarize it all for you guys. And for those curious, I'll be sure to link each and every one of these articles in the video description down below for you guys. But as always, take care and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.